Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. Quite a storm just passed over it. This is a one bone in prime rib, or the biggest ribeye steak you've ever seen. Weighs about 3.5 pounds, I guess. I gave it a nice seasoning dry rub and then salted it with some smoked salt and injected it with garlic olive oil using an injector. Smoke it until it's about 125 or 130 degrees in the center. Not sure how long it'll take because it's really cold outside, and that tends to take a little longer, but I did find shelter. So alright, I loaded this one up and I will use the insert in for a sear, then take the insert out, move all the charcoal over the side for an indirect cook for the rest of the time. That's when I'll add in my applewood chips. About a minute and a half on each side. I also want to put it up on its side so I start cooking this fat cap. Oh, hit it like that. That's pretty good. I'll put this to the side. Pull out my grill. Pull out my basket. And now I will move all my coals over to this side. And now I put in 2 big chunks of wood. I'm gonna put the bone away, the big meat part inside. I don't want to get too close, but don't want to be too far away. Those wood chips are starting to catch some fire. So I will put this over here. Adjust my heat for low and slow, 1 or 2. So that's wide open for start with my bottom air circulation. And then I close that down a little bit too. There it is, 135, 138. It's going to come up a few degrees. I prefer my meat nowadays medium rare to closer to medium size. And so I'm going to let it rest for a while. A delicious prime rib roast. Took me 45, 50 minutes to cook it. Maintained the temperature around 350 degrees. This is delicious. This is fantastic. Mm. Mm. Mashed cauliflower, green beans, cornbread, a little marmalade. Who could ask for anything more? Are good. Beer. Thanks for watching.